Hey guys, all right, trying a YouTube channel here. It's a lot harder than you think. Trying to figure out what shots to get, what you want to do, all that good stuff. And it's hot as heck out here right now. I live in Apple Valley, California. Just started Matco, as you can see behind me. We are going to be doing a YouTube channel here with that truck. This first YouTube video, just give me some patience on this. I'm learning it. I hope you don't take my first video as the way of future videos, because this is going to be something that I want to do regularly, and I hope to get some subscribers. Long story short, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be introducing folks to the Matco way, new way of doing business for me. I come from a different kind of background. Over the next few videos you'll understand where I'm coming from, but I just wanted to at least put something on YouTube right now for our subscribers out there. Our first day for our new business will be next week. I actually will be starting my route here shortly, and cut because that's just crap. Hey guys, this is Bill Davis, Apple Valley, California, applevalleytools.com. As you can see, we got the Matco truck right there behind me. That thing is sweet. This is a new YouTube channel. Give me some patience on this because I don't know exactly what we're going to be doing the whole time. I know I'm going to be introducing some new tools, tips and tricks, and all sorts of good stuff, because I got some surprises that'll be coming down the road here. I want to at least get one video up on YouTube before I go live with everybody, when I start handing out business cards, and it has my YouTube information on it. So I figured I'd throw something on there. Please though, subscribe, because you're going to get some really cool videos. We're going to show you some vehicle wraps, some decals, and some all sorts of other good stuff that is going to go with Matco, but it's going to be a little bit different. So please guys, subscribe to that channel below. Keep informed, look at the comments. You know, if you have anything you want to post, please do. You will be getting some updates if you subscribe. It won't be bombarding your email. I'm hoping to do just one a week, and hope to meet some of you guys out there too. If you subscribe to this channel, you know, shoot me a message, let me know about you. Again, Apple Valley, California. I'll be going to Victorville, Hesperia, Barstow, Lucerne Valley, and hopefully I'll meet some of you guys. So give me a shout down in the comment section, subscribe, and you'll be getting some new videos shortly. Thanks much.